She's watching you, but she'll never reach out. Here's why she's thinking about you. She's scrolling through your profile, replaying old memories, and even whispering your name in her mind. But she will never make the first move, and the reason will shock you. Most men live in confusion, believing women operate on the same emotional rules as men. They don't. A man will reach out when he truly misses someone. A woman? She'll suffer in silence, choosing to watch from the shadows rather than admit she was wrong. This is the cold truth about female psychology. She would rather keep her pride than give you the satisfaction of knowing she still cares. If you've ever been ghosted by a woman who once loved you or wondered why she's silently watching instead of speaking up, this will be the most eye-opening video you ever see. Reason number 1, she's addicted to watching, not acting. She isn't silent because she's moved on. She's silent because she's addicted to the power of watching you without you knowing it. She's checking your photos, your stories, your updates, all while refusing to give you the satisfaction of her attention. Why? Because in her mind, control is everything. She doesn't want to risk rejection. She doesn't want to look weak. If she reaches out, she loses power. So instead, she waits for you to break first. Most men fall for this trap, thinking her quiet stalking means she still cares. In reality, she only reaches out when she fears losing you for good. And right now, she still believes you're hooked. Reason number 2. She fears losing control more than losing you. Her silence isn't about heartbreak. It's about control. She doesn't miss you. She misses controlling you emotionally. Women often leave not because they're done, but because they want to test your reaction. If you break down, beg, or chase her, she wins. She will post things designed to make you react. Photos with other men, vague missing someone quotes, or cryptic song lyrics, just to test your response. If you bite, you confirm her power. But when you remain silent, when you show zero reaction, the panic begins. She starts wondering if she miscalculated. And that's when the tables turn. Reason number 3, the one who cares less always wins. In attraction, the person who cares less holds the power. Women don't chase men they already have. They chase the ones they fear losing. When you're unpredictable, she's drawn in. When you're too available, she loses interest. If she knows you're still attached, she relaxes. But the moment she doubts where she stands with you, the chase begins. This is why high-value men never beg, never double text, and never wait around. They keep their focus on their mission, not on her attention games. And that's when women start chasing them. Reason number 4. Silence is your most powerful weapon. Nothing shakes a woman more than total silence. Words can be ignored. Explanations can be dismissed. But silence? Silence forces her to sit with the possibility that she's lost you forever. Most men can't handle this. They send just one more message, thinking it will change her mind. It won't. Women feel regret when they lose access to you, not when you give them answers. When you disappear completely, you become a mystery, and mysteries keep women up at night. Reason number 5, if she really wanted you, she'd be there. Here's the truth. Women don't sit around watching from the sidelines when they truly want a man. They act. They call. They make an effort. If she's only lurking on your social media without reaching out, you're not her priority. You're an option. A high-value man doesn't waste time decoding mixed signals. He knows silence is an answer. If she valued you, she would have fought for you. If she didn't, he moves forward, stronger, more focused, and untouchable. And that's when regret hits her hardest. The mindset shift that changes everything. Once you understand that her watching means nothing without action, you'll stop waiting for her. You'll stop playing into her control games. You'll focus on leveling up, building your life, and becoming the man she can never have again. When you stop chasing, she starts wondering. When you stop reacting, she starts panicking. And when you move forward, she realizes she lost someone irreplaceable. Subscribe now to my channel, Stoic Siren, for more raw, unfiltered truths about relationships, attraction, and self-worth. Hit like if you value yourself more than her games. Comment below, I control my emotions, not her.